Okay, here we have a Doosan DL420N loading shovel fitted with an Arctic Air overpressure system. I've just arrived to carry out the service to the overpressure system as it's working in Zone 2 hazardous environment, and that's a biomass wood pellet environment, risk of explosion. So I'm just going to quickly show you under the lid of this Arctic Air overpressure system as to the amount of dust. So this system's been working for 3 months. Without any service at all. So the system is pressurising the cab effectively. That effective pressurisation ensures that we don't have to look at this system more than once every 3 months. So you can see the dust on the side there. And this machine has been cleaned off for ready for my visit. That's just a little bit on the one side there. Okay, are you ready for this? There we go. You can see the amount of dust on these filters, but this system is still effectively filtering this dust and pressurising the inside of the cab, and the operator who's operating this vehicle is totally protected. Even though there's this amount of dust here, below it there is a P3 HEPA filter which is filtering down to 0.3 of a micron. 99.99% efficient. So I'm going to shut the lid now so that I can carry on and take this filter out with all the correct PPE equipment, breathing mask, overalls, gloves, etc. Clean this out, new filters, ready to go for another 3 months. And there we have the Arctic Air overpressure system, ATEX certified Zone 2 Category 3D equipment.